Okay.
Hello.
Teddy, come here.
Hello, and my name is Teddy. I am 5 years old. Today I talk about my dog animal. This is the panda.
Point at the panda.
This is the panda.
What is it doing?
This is the eagle.
Eagle has.
This is the hippo. This is the monkey. Australia.
Long tail.
Long tail. This is the bat.
The bat is. What is the bat doing?
Bat.
The bat is flying.
The bat is flying. This is gorilla. Gorilla. This is the kangaroo.
The kangaroo has paws. Point at the paws.
This is the wolf.
What is the wolf doing?
This is the alligator.
No, not alligator. It's
Crocodile. This is the penguin. This is the bear. This is the giraffe. This is the dolphin. This is the cats.
these are.
These are the cats.
What's about the big one?
This is the lion.
Oh, you have a hare. What does the lion have? Lion has. Point at the maid. Lion. No. Continue. What about the big bird? The big bird
Where?
near the lion. What is it called?
Yeah, the ostrich.
Ostrich has a feather. Point at the feathers. Now, what can the ostrich do?
This is the feather. This is the reindeer. This
No,
is
not
the
reindeer. It is only the. Look at the word. Look at the word.
Oh no.
Here. Can you read the ear? Deer. It is the deer.
This is the day. This is the camel.
Camel. Where does the camel live?
This is the camel.
Camel. Where does the camel? Okay.
This is the camel. This is the seagull. This
No. Look at the word again. Eel.
No. This is
Not turtle. It's called tortoise.
the tortoise. This is the elephant.
Elephant has the long what? Long trunk.
This is the hippo.
No, hippo is over there.
This is the
Rhinoceros.
the rhinoceros. This is the goat.
The goat has what?
This is the zebra.
The goat has horn. Say the goat has horn.
The goat has horn. The zebra.
Zebra has what?
Strap.
Stripes. Yes.
This is the stick. This is the baby shark.
Not baby. It's the big shark.
This is the daddy shark.
What about the big? Yes, that.
This is the werewolf. This is the
Leopard.
This is the leopard. This is the lion.
No, lion is over there. Your mistake.
This
Say, look at the word and say
tiger.
Tiger.
This is the whale.
Which animal do you like best?
All.
Say
I like all
all the.
the animals. See you next time.
Come back.